Our philosophy of care here at King Animal Hospital is that it's really a triangle, and it's the patient, it's the owner, and it's the referring vet. And it takes all of them with our doctors to really be able to deliver the right level of care at the right time.
Since we are such a large facility, multidisciplinary with many different departments and services, both small animal and equine, it's really important for us to be able to communicate within the hospital. And ezyVet has really helped us do that with the function of communications, callbacks, memos, and ezyVet reminds us of these things, right? Gives us an automated little ping, hey, you've got a message, you got to get to this right away. Another amazing integration is Wind Caves. This allows us to send a remote payment to clients. If they can't physically be here in the hospital to make those payments, we can send them with a quick click of a button. It can go to their text, or it can go directly to an email. They have a link, they can pay that bill right away. I would think this would definitely save us at least 10 hours each week per department. So if we multiply that by 12 departments, pretty big number.
As the RVT manager here, overseeing all the other RVTs who are working on VetRadar and ezyVet, seeing how simple this software is to use is amazing. It will save us all tons of time and effort in terms of the simplicity, the straightforwardness. Having all of your information in one place is amazing, and not having to go look for it. We all know where to expect our medical records to be and where we will find the specific information.
I can't talk enough about how wonderful our implementation team has been through this whole process. We've been configuring our site and making it the best that we can potentially have within ezyVet and King Animal Hospital. It really helped us to figure out what the best workflow would be with every department. Even though there are many departments within King Animal Hospital, we really wanted to have it consistent across the board. And ezyVet really helped us do this.
The more work that's done ahead of time with all your templates and your bundles and all that helps. You know, it might seem like a lot of work ahead of time, but then on the long run, when you're actually seeing the patients, you can actually utilize the features, and then that's where it helps you with the clinical flow.
We're diagnostic focused because we know that's what our doctors want, first and foremost. If they have access to the right level of diagnostics through IDEX, the right level of diagnostics equipment, that gives them as much data as they need to make the right diagnosis and to create the right treatment plan. And to do that quickly and as accurately as possible is really, to me, what patient-centered care is.
We see that ezyVet is going to just continue to help us with caring for patients, helping us to communicate to clients, as well as communicate within the hospital. So we're really excited for where this is going to take us.
I think the thing with investments in technology, what you're really looking for is everything to be networked so that everything comes together. I would say don't buy for what you are now. Try and forecast what you think you're going to be in 5 to 10 years. So look for an organization that can grow with you. If you pick the right organization to partner with on technology, if they've got the right attitude about how they're going to support you, I think that's really key.